It's full now. I think he just realized. Oh, it's a good fish. It's a good fish. You had me fooled. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh yeah. That's one way to start the morning. Oh my god, that's what a fish this is. One way to start the day.